All right, you guys hear that? It is nasty out here. Look at this weather. Oh my gosh, it's raining, it's pouring. Somebody dumped a bunch of mattresses. But yeah. Look, this is a quick video. It's gonna get nasty, it's gonna get hot, it's gonna get cold, it's gonna rain, it's gonna thunderstorm. Weather's gonna be bad when you buy storage units. You have to have a killer instinct, guys, because it gets nasty out here. And it is a lot of work. You have to move. You're a glorified mover. If it rains, get this called snake skin. It's snake skin. You can get it on Amazon. It's really cheap and it keeps you completely warm and water doesn't seep through your clothes. If it's hot, get sunscreen and a lot of water. You have to have a killer instinct. This job is not all roses. It's gonna kick your butt, and make sure that you are prepared and understand that this is the ugly side of it. This is the side you don't see on YouTube. This is the side you don't see on those shows. It's a lot of work, moving. You're gonna get nasty. Right now I'm in the rain and drenched and I need a shower, okay? This is gonna happen when you buy storage units, and it's just a part of life. It's just a part of the game. So you've gotta realize that, have a killer instinct, continue to move on. And my number one tip is don't think of this as a burden, think of this as exercise. I don't go to the gym. This is my gym, okay? So think of this as exercise. Don't get overwhelmed when you have to do this physical labor in nasty conditions. It's just exercise. It's better, good for your body. Make sure you wear a back brace when you do this stuff, okay? Make sure you have plenty of water and you're hydrated. But also understand that this nasty weather's a part of the business. So whether you're in California and it's 105, or you're in Oregon and it's 50 and raining, right? You guys can hear that? All right, guys, quick video, just a reality check. This is gonna happen. Be prepared for it and think of it as exercise. Don't think of it as a burden. It's a way of life for storage units. It's just the other side you don't see. All right, guys, see ya.